Don't be gross. Wash your hands. Hello pupils, my name is Dr. Seymour, where I discuss all things eye health, beauty, motherhood, and lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, welcome. To my pupil gang, welcome back. On this video, we will discuss how to safely use eye makeup during the pandemic. Do you want boldly made up eyes above your mask? Here is how while staying safe. In this present time of wearing masks, things can get pretty much annoying with makeup. Foundation smudges, lipstick smears. The only part of the face that's not affected is the eyes. So of course, the new trend is of course having a bold eye while wearing your mask. With people now staying at home and being in quarantine, they're pretty much being more adventurous with their eye makeup looks. Not being able to wear a full foundation or their favorite lipstick, the eyes are the way to go. So I've seen colored mascara, I've seen glitter eyeshadow, I've seen bright, vibrant, bold eyeshadow makeup now with people wearing their masks. But of course, eye makeup requires germy fingers and brushes to apply it. Other issues that can occur with wearing eyeshadow is flaking eyeshadow or mascara, which can get into the eyes, making you touch them. Here are some strategies to observe while safely putting on eye makeup. The eyes, nose, and mouth are all mucosal sites that make it more prone for bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungus to get into the body, which of course can lead to infection. In addition, you can also catch viruses, bacteria, things of that nature through your makeup brushes and contaminated fingers. So a makeup user can also expose themselves not only to coronavirus, but bacteria and other germy things through the makeup product itself, especially if the product is used with someone else as far as sharing or used outside of the home. So the makeup brushes, applicators can be contaminated. Coronavirus, along with other bacteria and viruses, has also been found on the ocular surface, and it can present as the only presenting symptom to be positive for COVID-19. This is why conjunctivitis, or better known as pink eye, can be the initial symptom of infection. So the most important tip is, of course, washing your hands before applying any type of makeup product to your face. So you also want to look at makeup expiration dates as well. Wash your brushes on a regular basis. If you're using sponges, I always recommend using disposable if you can, and they should be housed in a clean canister. Soap and water can be used to clean the brushes and applicators, or you can use a special brush cleaner or applicator cleaner if a sink is not available, which dries quickly. Some examples would be Korean Spirit and Cinema Secrets. And don't forget about your other makeup products. Mascara, pencils, curlers, all also need to be cleaned as well. Another tip would be to apply your makeup in the morning before you leave home. Don't try to apply makeup in public restrooms where people are touching surfaces. That just leads to a whole nother disgusting. Don't do it. Of course, look for products that are waterproof or long lasting. I always like to use a setting spray so that I don't have to reapply any makeup or have to go back and touch my face. I do it once in the morning, use my setting spray, and then I'm good for the rest of the day. Some of these setting sprays that I personally use would be Urban Decay All Nighter. And then another good one is Benai Final Setting Spray. The only thing about that one is just be careful with the benign setting spray, because it does come out pretty forceful when you spray. So make sure to, you know, cover your eyes, that you don't get any into your eyes, because that can lead to burning, irritation. So just of course, make sure to close your eyes before you do the setting spray. But those are the two ones that I use that are pretty much long lasting. Oh, I also use Fenty Beauty What It Do makeup setting spray as well. I actually use it before I apply my makeup, and then I also go back to do it as a setting spray. This is not a sponsored post. This is just personally some of the products that I personally use. Of course, when you come home and you're ready to remove your makeup, of course, like I said before, I can't say it enough, wash your hands. Use a clean, sterile wipe to use to help remove the makeup as well. Believe it or not, yes, you can catch coronavirus through your eyes. Don't be gross. Wash your hands. So I really attempted to do a bold eye for this video, but I am pressed for time. I try to get this video in before I go pick up my son from daycare. So maybe next time I'll play with some makeup and try to attempt to be a makeup artist, eye doctor / makeup artist. But I did a little something. I used my contour kit from Fenty Beauty and Coco Mommy, so I did a little something. But next time I'll catch you guys with a more bright and vibrant look. Well, I will attempt. That's usually not my style. I used to do it a lot when I was a lot younger, but now that I'm a grown woman, I feel like I may look funny, but I may attempt to do that next time. This concludes the end of this video. I hope you found it to be informative. If you could, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any topics that you would like for me to discuss in the comment section. See, I was about to say description box. I'm getting better. In the comment section, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye, pupils.